What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today is a good day. We're getting ready to go pick up the Denali. It's ready at the paint shop, guys. Triple A and J. They knocked it out real quick, guys. So we'll check the truck out when we get there. It's a little bit of a drive. We're gonna listen to some music, jam out, and we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, we made it. Woo, ain't riding nowhere else with her. Oh man. Bye. Alright guys, we here. Hello. David.
Oh Lord, you're gonna tell me if you recorded so I can
Y'all look alright, huh?
I know you I'm going. Oh, you.
I'm here to pay.
It's right there. Yes, sir. Oh, baby. You're gonna do it cash? Okay.
Alright guys, we got it back. We're going to check it out at home. If y'all in the West Texas area, come holler at Triple A and J. I'll put the address and everything in the description. If you want to get in and out, come see them. Guys, we are back rolling in the Denali. Man, it's crazy how much you'll miss your truck when you realize, you know, when you're without it. You know, it's like, dang, night and day, man. So we're super excited. Look at Waddy in the back seat. Hey, let the windows down. Do this, do that. Man, chill out. But yeah, we're gonna check it out here in a minute. We're gonna do a walk around in the sun and see how it came out. I'm gonna stop by the store, grab some stuff, and yeah, we'll see y'all at the house. Super excited. Let's look around the truck. Check it out. Alright, the biggest concern was the hood. Y'all can see. Y'all can go to that the other video and see how bad it was. But the hood is good. They had to do a little bit of work on the fenders on both sides. Looks really good. The roof. What else? Oh yeah, the tunnel cover. They replaced that. Brand new. Kind of looks better than the. It does look better than the one I had. Seems a little more stout. Heck yeah, man. See, A&J, man. Y'all gotta go to A&J. Oh yeah, this one's better than the one I had, I think. Mess back here, but we'll jump up. We'll jump up here and show y'all the roof. See if I can walk on this edge. Roof looks good. I don't see anything. Y'all see anything? It was like a real big dent right there. It's gone. They left a little bit of red stuff up here, but that'll wash off. Yeah, I like it. We're good. Oh, that's just chalk or something. But yeah, guys, came out awesome. I sure appreciate them guys over there getting me in and out. Excuse me if I'm shaking the camera, I gotta get down. It is like 110 degrees out here. So we'll finish this up. Woo, it's hot out here. Time for B-roll. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'm getting ready to go in the house. It is too hot out here. We'll wait till later on. We're gonna come out here and start working on the 1972 Buick LeSabre when it cools down a little bit. I appreciate y'all watching. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.